How people talk in English, think, and speak in English. Introduction. Many English learners struggle with fluency because they rely on translating from their native language. This habit slows down conversations, increases mistakes, and lowers confidence. The real key to fluency is to think directly in English. Think, then speak. Don't translate. Why should you think in English? Translation takes time and effort. It disrupts the flow of conversation. It results in unnatural sentences. Thinking in English boosts fluency. Native speakers don't translate. The difference between talk and speak word usage: talk informal, used in daily conversations; speak formal, used in presentations and meetings, in everyday conversations. You can use both easily. How to start thinking and speaking in English. 1. Use simple sentences. I'm tired. I love coffee. Sunny today. Start with daily expressions. To describe what you see, I see a red car. She is reading a book. The sky is blue. This helps connect words to reality. 3. Tell your day to yourself before bed. Review your day in English. I woke up at 7 a.m. I had lunch at 1. I studied English in the evening. 4. Practice. Silent thinking. Dedicate 10 minutes a day to think in English silently. What should I wear today? Do I need to buy anything? I'll call my friend later. 5. Talk to the mirror. Hi. How are you today? I'm learning English. I want to improve. This builds confidence. 6. Listen and repeat, like a native. Watch videos. Listen to podcasts. And repeat phrases. What's up? Sounds good? Are you serious? Mimic the tone, pronunciation, and speed. 7. Memorize full sentences instead of single words. Memorize common phrases. I don't understand. Can you help me? I need a break. Phrases. Help you speak more fluently. 8. Separate language from translation. Instead of asking, what does this mean? Ask, when do I use it? I'm starving equals say it when you're very hungry. I'm freezing equals say it when you feel cold. Daily. Routine to think and speak in English. Time activity example, morning plan, your day. I have a meeting at 10, noon talk, about lunch. This sandwich is tasty. Evening review your day. I studied a lot today. Use apps or AI practice with apps like Duolingo or chat with ChatGPT. What's your favorite movie? Can you help me with English? I want to practice speaking. Write a simple journal. Write 3 simple sentences every day. I went shopping today. I bought some clothes. It was a nice day. Practice real-life situations. Situation phrase. At the airport, I have a flight at 6. At the market, how much is this? At the restaurant, asterisk, can I see the menu? Work, I have a meeting now. At school, I need to study for the test. Summary. Keys to fluency: think in English. Don't translate. Use common phrases. Listen and speak daily. Write and practice in front of a mirror. Don't fear mistakes. Learn from them. Final words. Learning any? Language doesn't require super intelligence, just consistency and passion. Speak. Make mistakes. Learn. Repeat. With time, you'll think and speak English confidently. Start today, even with just 1 sentence.